Populares Beach Resort. For her, it offers a great place to relax and enjoy, as it caters a multiplicity of leisure activities such as diving, kayaking, snorkeling, and more. This proud Capitalano is hoping from a booming tourism industry in her place. That's candidate number 6. Let's proceed to candidate number 7.
Candidate number 7 is Christine M. Alonso, representing Loon South High School. She hails from Cabadog, Loon, Bohol, and dreams to become a successful teacher someday. She does adventurous activities like trekking and spelunking. That is why she wants to explore the mysterious caves and caverns of Loon, especially in the village of Kentucky, Batlay. A spelunker can explore 30 caves in such place. The beach's subterranean niches are home to thousands of bats and nocturnal birds. So, ladies and gentlemen, candidate number 7, Miss Christine M. Alonso.
Next in line is candidate number 8. Our candidate number 8 is second-year university student at the University of Bohol, Tacloban City. She hails at Pudong, Loon, Bohol. For her, Loon is not only blessed with warm and peace-loving people, but also it is rich history, culture, and traditions. One of the famous historical sites that captures her interest is the Inanganan. This grand stairway of 4 flights and 174 steps is made of 4 stone blocks. She said that every time she visits the place, it never fails to mesmerize her. That's candidate number 8. Volodymyr Sombrio.
Cheryl R. Lafuente is our candidate number 9. She is 16 years old and hails from Canton, Bago. She is commonly known by her friends and family, is a very goal-oriented girl. One of her goals this summer is to visit the Cabilao Island Lake, which is frequented by migratory birds and fringed with trees growing below pools of solid rock marked with fossils of marine organisms. For several, being with nature is the best form of relaxation. So, ladies and gentlemen, candidate number 9, Miss Cheryl R. Lafuente.
Candidate number 10 is a 16-year-old student of Sandigan High School. She wants to become a teacher someday. For Melissa, as a proud Capitalano, she wants people to visit her place and explore the Rock Island Cave, as well as enjoy the pristine white sand beaches of Sandigan Island.